Hi everyone, I'm Kelvin.
And I'm Jerica, and today we are going to bring you to this top floor penthouse unit with greenery view in District 23.
You'll not want to miss this.
Let's go! The Rainforest is a 99-year leasehold executive condo development located at heart of Choa Chu Kang in District 23. It comprises of 466 units across several blocks and is a joint venture between CDL and TID.
This top floor penthouse is bright and airy and has unblocked greenery view, which also provides some privacy. It is well renovated and has a very efficient layout. It also has an additional roof terrace which can be a potential space for rooftop dining or gardening.
We have a dry and wet kitchen and also a yard space with utility and WC. All bedrooms can comfortably fit a queen-size bed. Five minutes walk to Choa Chu Kang MRT and LRT, bus interchange, Lot 1 shopping centre, 1 km to Southview Primary School, Teck Whye Primary School, Choa Chu Kang Secondary School, and many more schools. We are also a short drive to BKE and KJE. With modern architecture seamlessly blending with the natural surroundings, this development provides a harmonious living environment where residents can truly unwind and rejuvenate.
Enjoy the tranquility of nature right at your doorstep with amenities designed to cater to your every needs. Experience a lifestyle of comfort, convenience, and luxury at the Rainforest condominium.
Such a stunning home is definitely not one to be missed.
If you are looking for a 3-bedroom penthouse overlooking panoramic views of lush greenery,
Do contact us for viewing today. And once again, I'm Kelvin.
and I'm Jerica, and we hope to hear from you soon.